Look at that, dude. Oh my God, they're on my boat. They're on my boat. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Abenz Fishing. Today it is just me, myself, and I. And we are post-Hurricane Ian. And it is absolutely beautiful. Florida actually got its first cool weather. It was low 60s air temp earlier today. Now it's mid 70s. Dead calm, beautiful, and the water is extremely high. We're having a king tide. So today's mission is simple. We're gonna throw mullet and pilchard, which I just got not too long ago, under docks, and maybe some spooks, and just try to get some big old snook. If we see some big blowups from tarpon and jack, we're gonna go do that, but you guys know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because we will be doing a giveaway on this channel when we hit 5,000 subscribers. If that happens to have already happened since this video is posted, then when we hit 10,000, we're gonna do another one, and we're gonna just keep doing that every 5. So we're gonna grow this channel big. You guys have been supporting since the beginning, you know it, so let's do it. I'm gonna shut up, let's get into the video, let's get a line in the water, let's get some big old fish. All right, y'all, we did it. We found them. We found the mullet. Oh my God, look at this, look at this. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at this, look at this, look at this. We gotta go up. We gotta get up there. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this rod out back, and I'm gonna throw the spook on the other rod. And one of these is gonna get worked. I might have to push up, but this is freaking insane, dude. Oh. Look at that, dude. Oh my God, they're on my boat. They're on my boat. Wasn't paying attention. Look at this, dude. Got it. Got it. Woo! Unreal, man. Look at this, guys. It is full on insanity around me. Are you kidding me? This is one of those times you just want to get it up and get another. This is not a small fish either. Check this fish out, dude. Look at that. Look at that. This guy is a 9-inch. Check it out. Nice fish. Letting her go. Holy fuck, bro. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was insane. No. Oh, it's still on. Oh, this is a huge one. Oh my god, this is a huge one. Oh my god, this is a huge one. This is a huge one, guys. This is insane, guys. This is literally what anglers live for. This is insane on another level, man. On another freaking level. Look at this. Look at this. It's eating right next to us. Look at them. Insanity. This is chaos, guys. God, there's some huge ones around. Are you joking? Wow. Wow. such a big fish. Just a fired up giant jack. This might be my PB on top. My arm is sore. Look at this thing. Huge, dude. Absolutely freaking giant. Oh my God. Okay. Let's open the bag. Look at that! Look at this fish, man. He freaking annihilated it. Oh my God. Absolutely giant. 30 pounds. Guys, that is a 30-pound jack on a freaking 9-inch spook. Look at that. Let's get her back. Let's get her back quick. Look at that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. She's good. Whew. You kidding? Are you kidding? That was a huge hit, guys. Like, just huge. Giant one, giant one, giant one, giant one. Giant ones, giant ones. Those are 30, 40 pounders all freaking day. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Strike zone. That's freaking God. Yes. Yes. No. God, dude, that was the smallest one in there. That was literally the smallest one in there. Are you kidding me, dude? Are you? This was the smallest one in there, man. And it's big. It's 20 pounds all day. 20, 25. There was 40s in there. Oh no, it's off. Did it break me? Oh, it got off, dude. Did it bend out the hook? Are you kidding me, dude? Trying to rush it because I saw it come out. Oops, forgot to shut the boat off. I'm trying to find the bigger ones. I switched to a magic swimmer to see if they'll hit it. I want some bigger fish though. There's a lot of small ones. Thinking about literally waiting to see it. That's what we want to see, those freaking monsters. Look at this, I could spot this one out. Look at it, I could see him on the surface. They're not liking the Seville. I'm pretty surprised. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't know how big that one was because I turned my head away, but oh my, smoked it. It feels huge. I mean, it's big enough to pull the boat. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I put the Seville on because it looks just like a bigger mullet. So maybe it's enough to get the big ones to bite. It looks like there's some bigger fish pushing in. Guys, this is unreal. This one feels big. I don't think it's like that 30-pounder, but it sure hit like it. Hope I got the hit on camera for you guys. It's freaking madness. Let's see her. Oh, she's good. She's like 15. Oh yeah, she's a good fish. Oh yeah. Dude, that is freaking nuts over there. Oh my God, this is insane. Okay, she's under the boat. Solo time. Always a good time. Oh yeah, she's 15, 20 pounds all day. My biggest fish on this rod, I think. I caught like a 39 and a half inch snook. That's literally, I got this rod from my buddy Steve at North Fork Bait and Tackle just so I could do this. One of the most insane mullet run blitzes of my life is happening, and I can't even go chase it. Oh, dude, this is a big fish. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Look at this guy. 18, 19, 20, it's bouncing. I don't have time to figure it out. Give or take 1, 2 pounds, another 20 pounder. Look at that freaking fish, guys. Let's go get another one. Oh my God. Undo the boga, drop her. She's free, she's good, she swam off strong. Holy moly. This is madness, bro. Look at that, that's a big one, guys. That's a big one. That's what we're looking for. That's a bigger one. That's like a 20 pounder. Oh, perfect cast. If it's still anywhere in there. Oh, there's a lot of small ones around too. Smaller, bigger. That's a big one. That's a much bigger fish. Yes. Yes. Calling out these big ones, man. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Oh, there's some big ones here. Slay fest. Oh, there's some big ones around. It's not as big as that 30-pounder that we caught. But it's 20. It's definitely 20. Oh, we might have fouled her. She definitely hit it, but sometimes with these big trebles, if the fish is a little smaller, you might foul them. And that very well might be what happened. Let's see. No, she's fairly hooked. She's got a treble hook in the mouth. This is about a 12 to 15 pounder. Once they start to get into the teens, they're a completely different fish. There it is, guys. Teenage Jack Crevalle. Teenager. We caught a teenager.